Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 7th of November. Scorpio, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Yeah, let's go ahead and go in. See what's the messages here for you, Scorpio. Scorpio, I have a question. I have a question to all my Asian people. Konnichiwa, ni hao. Yeah, okay. How come every time you guys talk you sound like an anime? What the fuck is happening? Let's go ahead and go to your reading, Scorpio. We have mirror. Okay, so mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest bitch of them all, huh? Who is it? Who is it? Rihanna. Rihanna? Rihanna? Bitch! I'm getting somewhat a mirror. I'm getting mirror magic. I'm also getting something upside down. Something is upside down. It's stored upside down. Something's upside down. Not sure what that means, yeah? Some upside down. Okay, upside down. Upside down. Something is upside down. Something is stored in an upside down motion. No, I'm not sure why. The only reason why someone would do upside down to me is witchcraft and magic. Because, okay, you turn it upside down. Can it be, is it standing, okay, is it upside down like a candle that both sides are symmetrical? So if you turn the candle upside down, it will stand? No, if something is in water and you turn it upside down, if it has space in the chamber, it will turn right side up because of gravity. I'm getting something about, I don't know, I'm getting mirror. I'm getting, you have to look in a mirror for read. Something could be back ways. Like my favorite position. Anyway, something could be back ways. I'm getting, it's written back ways. I'm getting from left to right. Isn't that how Asian people write? I don't know what that means. Yeah, Asian, isn't that how you write certain type of Asian languages? You write it from, or they read from left to right, not right to left. Something like that. Getting mirror. Or I'm getting check your mirror, because there might be a live stream going on in there. We have Beelzebub. Gluttony, corruption, influenced by earthly desires. I don't know what's going on with your mirror. We have Scorpio. Okay, so I'm Scorpio. I'm getting something is in the mirror. I'm getting this is mirror magic. I don't know if somebody's chanting the name in the mirror or them a try for swap whatever the fuck them trying to swap with you in the Scorpio mirror. Is this something about burying a dead body with a mirror? Or something about no mirrors allowed? Or something about not making you look on your reflection? I don't know. Beelzebub, that's all like a mirror in your bathroom. We have Molosh. Child sacrifice and the demands for human offerings. Something about mirror, something about your kids, something about a baby. We have sleep. Are you dreaming that you're looking in a mirror? Because multiple times I had dreams when I look in the mirror and I'm not seeing my reflection when I look in the mirror. Other times I would look in the mirror and I would see an Asian woman in my dream. Even the last shelter I was at, I remember in my dream I wake up, I'm go to this door, I'm looking in the door, I don't see nobody inside. But when I look on the mirror in the room, an Asian girl reflection in it. But she, okay, so the dream I had was there's a laundry room in the shelter. There's no mirrors in the laundry room. There's just a washing machine and a basin to wash in the shelter and the dryer. In the dream, I get up out of my bed, went to the laundry room, and there was a mirror inside of it. There's no mirror in the laundry room in real life. That's what I saw in my dream, Scorpio. And I try to open the door, but it locked. And I look in, peep in the room, and the lights were on. I'm not see nobody in there, but there was a mirror in there. When I look on the mirror, I'm seeing an Asian girl. As if she's standing up looking in the mirror. But then I look in the place and I don't see nobody. I'm getting something about mirror. Maybe it's mirror magic. Cause me remember when I was at Central Accord and them had we on Thames. Only you can have my body. Teams. Remember this big pussy Asian girl named View. View she did blood clot name. Everything the girl same with the girl blood clot towards. I said the girl jealous. Teeth roastland from me. Anyways, right? Girl, I remember I was on the video call and for some reason her screen kept getting black. I can't see her reflection. I can't see it. She have her camera on, she have her monitor on, her lights on, and her massive darkness over her. It's like she become a shadow. You see, after that, about a couple of weeks later, when they would make her recite some things, which me stop recite, like me I recite it, but me not say it, me I do this. And them tell me say, when they say you need to pronounce the word, and I'm like, my mic is mute. How you know some not say the word out loud? After a while, my in the teams, in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screens, my own start get dark. I couldn't see my reflection. I may do this in the camera, I just see a black shadow. But me see it on the view, fear or me see it on first. Then one time the teacher I correct my work and she copy my work, put view name in my work and send it back to the group. I never see say view name was on top of my work in a French class. Somebody don't know what witchcraft. Witchcraft 101. You having problems? Come talk to me. I promise you 90% of it is witchcraft. Sleep. That's how you beat it. You have to sleep. So something could be making you sleep deprived. Scorpio, your health, the dead. Because the dead sleep eternally. The dead don't wake up. We have birth chart. But apparently you did. You're getting something in your... Oh, Pluto in Scorpio. You're a walking dead body. We're going to start off with the Tattoo Tarot. And if you're asking me, why did you buy this, Vanessa Carby? It's simple. It's because of Shantae Long. It's simple. I had no interest in this deck until I see Astro Queen with a deck. AKA Picket Fence. AKA Shantae Long. AKA Annex Roman. I see her with the deck. I was like, wow, so beautiful. So I bought it. No, I'm not promising I could read as good as Shantae Long. But what I am saying is that we're a long way from getting the truth. Anyways, let's continue. Let's go. First card out is the Six of Cups. The Six of Cups, I'm getting you're praying over water or you're praying over a bowl. The reflection don't have to be a mirror. The reflection could be somebody looking in water. Is that scrying? I'm getting scrying. Somebody might be doing scrying. We have a Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Coming out first, we also have the Queen of Wands. Alright, yeah, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? I'm getting something about a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius woman. So, I'm not sure if I'm getting something about a wish. I'm getting you want it to be sexy, you want it to be appealing, you want it to be beautiful, you want it to be attractive, you wanted everybody for lust like after you. I'm getting you want it to be everybody's dream girl. Scorpio, but that comes with a cost. Because men will, some men, when they talk about them dream girl, 90% of it is sexually. What them can do to her sexually. Because every girl nurturing, everybody have a mother, right? Everybody have a mother, so every girl nurturing. So it's not a fact that a girl won't be nurturing to a man. When men use that excuse, that is not a valid excuse. It's about what can I get away with the girl. But me getting you just want it to be wanted, Scorpio, or me getting some about beauty. Me getting scrying. This could be coffee cup magic, maybe a real coffee or tea leaf. We have the Eight of Cups, yeah, 98. The wish went down. Again, you wish to be attractive, you wish to be the Queen of Wands. Yeah, people go on use it sexually. Your beauty always going to come before your braids. That's why in pageants, they make you walk around in a swimsuit even though them asking you about fucking world crisis. So you want me to tell Donald Trump how to stop immigration, plus you need my pussy to be shaved in a fucking swimsuit? Pick a fucking side. Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups. Yeah, it went down, something went, maybe your beauty, you start feel dead inside. Yeah, keep up for being beautiful. Being beautiful is not the only thing that matters. Does it matter? Yes, but it's not the only thing that matters. Yeah, fall asleep in your makeup. You don't have no money for the year here, so you go 1 more week. That's a fuck your hygiene and get fuck. Yes, you look good, but your brain not function right. We have a 10 of swords. Yeah, the wish became a nightmare very fast. Or me getting something, but you was so beautiful then. You saw you lose your teeth. Your hair will become brittle. Your nails will become brittle. I don't know what happened. You're not taking a picture no more. You're not looking in the mirror anymore. Somebody may have stole your essence or them teeth your face. I know girls who look like themselves without surgery, and girls who got popular on social media getting surgery to look like them. I've seen that. Yeah, the 10 of swords. And real beauty don't have to be maintained. I mean, yes, you have to maintain your hair. Yes, you want to polish your nails, okay, fine. But you inject, I don't know what you do. I'm getting it a sag. It could be your ass, your breast, injections in your face, something sagging. We have a knave of swords. Or maybe you notice that, that's, I don't know. Like you're saying, yes, I look good, I'm pretty, but for some reason, that's not enough for man. It's not enough for man. The knave of swords, because I'm getting you're pretty, but the men you meet are intelligent men. I'm not talking about pussy and ass and what a girl bring to the table. I'm not talking about politics and Silicon Valley and why them I get too much tax. I'm getting there's little to nothing to talk about your beauty that you spend so much time on. We have a 10 of coins, we have 10. 10 of swords, 10 of coins. I'm not sure if this is something about maintenance. Like you can't afford maintenance anymore. The maintenance is too high. What is this? It's got the mystical, is this one? Mystical Tarot. Oh, it's a black tarot deck. It's inspired. I think, no, it's not a black tarot deck. It's not a black tarot deck, but a lot of the major arcanas are black. Like the magician, she's black. Let's go ahead and see what's happening here. Ooh, we have a card here that's not supposed to be here. The Queen of Cups. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I'm getting the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Maybe at the water sign. Okay, it's a Scorpio. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This could be a Scorpio. It was in this deck. I'm getting some of a Scorpio. You want it to be a Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands is fiery. Scorpio, you're very deep. You want to know somebody care about you and not just about your looks or your career. Let's clarify. The 9 of Cups is clarified by the 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, I know you feel alone with all this beauty. I see girls on social media. I can't believe I look this good and I'm single. Yeah, you might be single because you look that good. Could be that. And if it's not that, if that's not the reason, it could be something about I don't know. There's not far men can get in dating when they're listening to other men who are not in successful relationships. You are listening to your friend who are cheat on him girlfriend about girls because him have a girl, him have a bitch who's dumb enough to take him shit. You say him, him have the formula. You listen to men who never been in love enough for go down on one knee and get married to a girl. You listen to everything but the girl. But me getting, in this case, this is solely about the girl. Me getting, yeah, you feel lonely. Because you spend this money, you wish for this. I don't know what you wish for, but me getting you wish for be the most sexiest, the most wanted by a lot of men. That means a lot of men are going to want you. You feel like every time you look at a man, the man just fall in love with you. You're going to be everybody's girlfriend. You're going to be the pass around girl. Because they're desired by you. That don't mean them want a wife and wake up next to you and split bills with you. We have a 7 of Pentacles, yeah. When them finish with you, them gone back to them life that them don't have. Or perhaps you take care of yourself, you look very expensive. And that's usually, I don't know. I don't know. Men will say, we want to meet you at your most purest form. But then when you meet them at your purest form, them say, you a bum ass bitch. You got no nails, no makeup, no nothing, no weave, nothing. This a bum ass bitch, right? But when you meet them, when your hair and your nails and your makeup done, them say, oh, that she look too maintained. That's so 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, you're getting no return on your. You spend so much money on beauty and waxing up and doing all type of things, and you're still single. You're still not attracting the man you want. You invest all this cosmetic surgery and money in your beauty for what? You say for yourself. You're still alone. You're alone with that BBL. You're alone with the lip injections. You're alone with the braids. You're alone with the makeup. You're still alone. Scorpio. I'm getting you more drawn to people who will sacrifice for you. What are you willing to do? Boy, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it better, baby. We have the Knight of Swords. Me getting you want one man who's fearless. You want a man who's not afraid to make a mistake. Bikers are never scared to crash off the bike. But you know the bike dangerous. But I'm never scared of that. So if you're willing to buy a bike and go up on a bike, knowing if a bad driver hit you, you can dead, you're willing to take this risk. But he don't want to take the risk with you because he don't know if you're going to be submissive. You treat your blood clot bike better than you treat your girl. That's crazy. Ten of Coins is clarified by the Ace of Cups. Love is, I'm not saying his love is there, but attraction is there. You're getting you look for love. Yeah, but you can't look for love in a one day spa. You're not gonna find love in a doctor office injecting yourself. Come on, know you say you do it for you, you do it for you, you do it for you. Okay, but at the end of the day, you're alone. So who you did it for? You and your alone body? Or you did it to, you didn't want to seem more attractive? To this day, we don't know if Doja Cat doing anything weird to our body. Because Doja Cat have a really good body to me. And every girl insecure about them body. Look how much girl that go gym for look like me. That's what girls will do. That's what men will do. They'll tell you you're too skinny, but they're at the gym losing weight. You know that? That's the weird cycle they put you in. And then you don't know what beauty standards are. Remember a long time ago it was only skinny girls. Then it was big ass, big breasts, slim waist. Then you had to be all voluptuous. Then everybody gone back to being slim. Ozempic took it back. Every girl, every bitch, big bitches will bully you, say you're too skinny, and them all try to lose weight. Men will say that you're too skinny when them really insecure about fit them body walking beside you. People will do this to you. So I don't know what you think beauty was. Maybe you got a BBL and big breasts. Well, guess what beauty was? At no point, small breasts and a small figure can ever get out of style. At no point. There is no point where you tell me my body type is not in style. No point. None. I'm telling you. Bitches' ass can only grow to a certain degree when them a lift weights. And when you're going to gym and lift weights and do that, your breasts shrink, usually. Because it's turning a muscle now. So I'm just saying, the Tower card. Yeah, say you try to look beautiful for you. Okay, you try to look beautiful for other girls. But then maybe you see a girl who don't look maintained, but she have a boyfriend. Me still don't care. Like, even, like, people will say, Brody, people will say, you know, if you lower your standards and you were less maintenance, you get a boyfriend. But when I see a girl who's less maintained than me, I have a boyfriend, I say, struggle love. That's what the fuck I say. I say you're going to go on a date with him wearing fucking jeans. I say struggle. I said the point of being with a man is to dress up and look pretty beside him. Yeah, tell me, say your man prefer, say you look like him. You just wash your face. Because them not even use moisturizer half of the time. Them always have good skin, right? The first thing we would think about if I have a boyfriend is to dress up. You tell me, say your man, I tell you don't dress up. Bro, that's struggle love. No, I'd rather be single looking pretty than not maintain with a man. This is how me feel like. Because I feel like my self-worth come from how I treat myself. Not if I'm beside somebody who is accepting me if I'm at my worst. And why would you want your girlfriend to be at your worst? Wouldn't you want her to look pretty? Is your girlfriend. Anyways, one more. We have the Nine of Swords. Again, you're alone. You're crying. Because at the end of the day, that whole talk about what women bring to the table and who is the prize, you're still alone. You're still alone, Brody. You're Ten of Swords. You're still alone. The logic makes no sense. It makes no... I was talking to myself the other day because, you know, I believe I'm the only person who can really grasp my intelligence, right? And I said to myself out loud, it makes no sense the same way a man can grow up with a single mother and come out and dog women. You know, when you're a son or a daughter of a single mother, it's two reasons why. Your father cheated on your mom and she set a boundary and decided not to stay with him. Or him left her for another girl. And I'm assuming the girl never had a kid when him left her. And men go around and say, oh, women do this, women do that, women is a problem, women is why dating is so hard. But your father left you, your mother was there. So how can women be the problem when your dad left? How can you turn and say women are the problem? You are the problem. Wanna not take this? You guys are the reason why. You may call them leaving and them setting boundaries like your mother did. I'm sure if any man did treat your mother like how you treat girl. Okay, you can have two wives. Would you want to know that your mother was in a relationship with a man who had another woman and she was unhappy? Or because you see your mother struggle as a single mother, you say, it's okay, my mother did it, I don't know if other girls did it. What is the logic in your brain that you grow up and see your mother struggle because the man who get her pregnant never commit to her, or he was entertaining other women, and you grow up entertaining other women? You may have not known your dad, but you sure probably act like him. I'm going to get two of these and I'm going to leave it here. People will convince you about things what them delusional about. It don't make no sense. Your mother never want that man to waste her time for 10 years. But you want to waste a girl time for 10 years? You're saying every woman is evil except your mother. Your mother not evil. Ask our ex what them think about her. And you'll see how delusional you talk when you talk about your exes. A man have something to say about your mother. You never know that? We have the Phoenix. New phase, rekindle, renew, transform, growth, and change of mind. We also have Kisses. Yeah, kiss it better, baby. What are you willing to do? What is he willing to do? Is he willing to marry you? Him willing to put you up? Or I'm just only willing to see up on weekends? What the fuck him willing to do? Him willing to share you? Him willing for have two bitches and make you one of the bitches that him giving him time to? Kiss it better, kisses. Unconditionally loving, giving and receiving, affection, falling in love. Just because your mother did not set a boundary with that man, it does not mean that your wife should not set boundaries either. I don't understand your logic. You're throwing the Bible with women, but you're out there committing adultery. A man take you down the aisle and marry you and get you pregnant and cheat on you when you were pregnant with a girl and you call she a home wrecker. Your husband wrecked your home. The logic is crazy to me. I don't understand. This is why I'm single, because I don't. Je ne comprends pas. We have I like you, I do. I wanna be a friend, go shopping in a Tesla. I like you, I do. We would be better friends if we woke up in Japan. I like you. Ever like you? Someone likes you, romance is blooming, fun flirting, and they want to be with you. One more. We have the runner. He a runner, he a track star. He go run away when it gets hard. Yeah. You run when you get hard. As soon as a girl make you own up to your shit where you put her through, you run away, you go silent. The same way how your mother tried to make your father own up to something and him run away and went silent. Sometimes you don't have to know your parents. You'll act like them subconsciously, whether you know them or not. apple don't have to fall from the tree. It can be picked from the tree and brought to no frills, and you still end up getting the same blood clot apple. I'm going to leave it here, Scorpio. So I'm just saying, you cannot praise vanity. Don't praise vanity. Vanity make you lose your soul. To be vain is to be soulless. Scorpio, I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.